Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We form group 4 of class IS 0602. We'll present material related to providing fun learning. The title of your discussion today is Learning Doesn't Have to Be Boring. Exploring the world of fun learning. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Nurfalianto, with student ID 12042300043, and I am from group 4. Without further ado, let's get into the material. Introduction. Fun learning is an educational approach that combines elements of fun and play in the teaching and learning process. This approach aims to increase student motivation, engagement, and retention. In the midst of the increasingly complex learning trends, fun learning has emerged as an innovative solution to enhance student motivation and participation. This approach combines elements of enjoyment and games in the teaching and learning process, creating a more engaging, interactive, and memorable learning experience. Okay, the next material will be delivered by your colleagues.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Muhammad Tailam Al-Muhibi. My student ID is 12042300307. Next, I will present about why fun learning is important. Because increased motivation, fun learning makes learning more interesting and enjoyable. Increased motivation, studying can feel boring and tiring for students if the material is presented in a stiff and uninteresting way. Fun learning makes learning more fun and interactive so that students are more motivated to be involved in the learning process. They will be more enthusiastic about attending class and participating in learning activities. Increasing student engagement, fun learning allows students to learn actively and interactively. Increasing student engagement. When students have fun while learning, they are more focused and more engaged with the course material. Engaging activity and game allow students to actively use their knowledge and solve problems. This is in contrast to passive learning, where students only listen to the teacher lecture without interaction. Developing other skills apart from academic knowledge. Fun learning can also help students develop other important skills such as communication, teamwork, creativity, and problem solving. There are many fun learning activities that require students to interact and collaborate with their classmates, thereby practicing their social skills. Thank you. Next, our colleagues will explain student problem when studying.
Hi, my name is Diaskia with name 12042300046. This time I will explain about student problem with learning. First, lack of motivation to learn. This can be caused by various factors such as subject considered boring. Students might feel uninterested in the subject matter if they perceive it as irrelevant to their life or if the delivery is too monotone. Uninteresting teaching style. Teachers who lack enthusiasm and are unable to explain the material clearly can make students feel bored and unmotivated to learn. Lack of support from parents. Parents who show little interest and do not provide support to their children can make them feel unmotivated and lacking in confidence. Fun learning can help overcome this problem by making learning more interesting and enjoyable. When students enjoy learning, they will be motivated to engage in the learning process and to achieve better results. Difficult understanding concept. Fun learning can help overcome this problem by using a more interactive and visual approach. Game, simulation, and project can help students understand concepts more easily and remember information better. This can be caused by various factors such as complexity of the subject matter. Subject matter that is overly complex and abstract can make students struggle to understand it. Lack of student interest. A lack of interest in a subject can lead to students being less motivated to learn and understand its concept. Incompatible learning style. Different learning style among students can make it challenging for them to grasp the material present in a way that is not compatible with their learning style. Lack of creativity and innovation. Fun learning can help overcome this problem by encouraging students to think creatively and innovatively. Role-playing games, projects, and other activities can help students develop this skill and become more independent learning. Here are some factors that are often encountered. Lack of stimulation. Students who are not exposed to new ideas, experience, and challenge might not have the opportunity to develop their creativity and innovation. Fear of failure. Students who are afraid of making mistakes or being judged by others may be reluctant to try new ideas and take risks. Lack of self-confidence. Students who are unsure of their ability may not feel capable of generating creative or innovative ideas.
Okay, next I will explain how to implement fun learning. Number 1 is use game activities. Game and activities can make learning more fun and interactive. Game and activities are important elements in implementing fun learning. This approach allows students to learn actively and interactively, increase focus, and building a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Here are some examples: board and games and using simulation. Number 2 is use technology. Technology can be used to make learning more interesting and interactive. Technology offers a multitude of benefits to enrich the fun learning experience. In the example, using educational videos and animation that are interesting and informative. And next, using interactive and educational learning application online or using online platforms to create virtual class and online learning space. And number 3 is create a positive learning environment. Create a positive and supportive learning environment where students feel comfortable to take risks and to make mistakes. Building a positive and supportive learning environment is one of the most important aspects of implementing fun learning. This allows students to feel comfortable taking risks, experimenting, and making mistakes without fear of judgment. Number 4 is discover new things together. Learning new things together can create a more enjoyable learning atmosphere. Discovering new things together with students is a great way to increase motivation, engagement, and information retention in fun learning. When students explore and learn together, they build stronger bonds, develop curiosity and creativity, and expand their knowledge and skills.
Next is the conclusion. Fun learning is an effective approach to overcome various problems faced by students. Implementing fun learning will increase student motivation, engagement and retention. There are many ways to implement fun learning in the classroom. And teacher can cause the activity that best with their student needs and interests. Teacher can create a more positive and supportive learning environment and help students to achieve optimal learning outcome.
Okay, maybe that's all our group is discussing about providing fun learning. If there might be a lack of words, we apologize. See you later and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.